So hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina and today we are gonna learn big tag in HTML. Basically it helps to make the text a bit bigger than normal. Let's try it by the code. We'll again do Alt Shift down and we'll change this U into big. Okay, so when I write this big tag, I'm having this red text. So it still works. Let me show you. See, we are having this big text, but it's not recommended to us because with CSS we can increase the font size. It's not recommended. Now let's move further. Okay, so we are having this small tag in HTML. It helps to make the text a bit smaller than normal. Let's try it by the code. We'll just do Alt Shift down and we'll change this big to small. Okay, let's save this and see the result. We are having this a bit smaller. So now you'll be wondering that why we are learning B tag, I tag or these tags. These are just the tags. You need to take the knowledge, but we can increase the size with CSS, we can decrease the size with CSS, we can do everything with CSS. But HTML is kind of boring, so we are just making it a bit creative. Now let's move further and learn more things. Now we are having this HR tag. It helps to make an horizontal line. It's horizontal rule. See, H stands for horizontal and R stands for rule. It's an horizontal rule. Let's try it by the code. So let's do HR, it's self-closing, and we'll save this and see we are having this big horizontal line here. Okay.